Click on the subscribe button and press this bell icon and stay tuned for more technology videos. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Tech Editions, and today in this video we'll be doing the unboxing of this Panasonic F562 digital camera. I know this is a very old camera and I'm using this from around 2011, so this is a very old camera. As you can see here, it is written here, it's a digital camera. Okay, and so here are some specifications of this camera. Let me just show you. So it has LEICA DG lenses, and it has 4x optical zoom, and it has a bright red color eye correction, and it has face detection also. It has 10.1 megapixels of camera. So here's the camera. So let's unbox this up. I had already unboxed this up. I'll just doing this so to show you. So let me just take this out, and so here's some instructions given about this camera. I'll just show you. So here are some instructions of this camera. Let me just on my flash. Okay, so I think here you can look it very clearly, all the specifications. So let's again open it. So when you just open it here, you get like this box packing, and here's the code. Okay, I can't show that. So the first thing that you get here is this charger of your camera. So this is a Lumix Panasonic here's written DE A60 battery charger. And what else do you get? I'll just on my flash, let's take a look. So here are some instructions about this battery. So let's keep this in a side, we'll come to it later. Let's just keep this in a side. And here you get this. So what's this? This is the cable to charge your battery. So you just need to plug this in with your battery, and then you can put this plug into your electric current, and then you can charge your battery of your camera. So this was the content, and here in this what you can say, carry pouch, here you get the camera inside. So here's the camera inside this carry pouch. So this is a great thing for you need to carry your camera many times when you're traveling, so you can took this small carry pouch with you. So let me just take this side, we'll come to it later. First we'll go over, take a look inside. So here's the camera battery, as you can take a look. So it's the camera battery, and it's let me just show you that how many watt it has. So this one is it's not cleared. Let me just again show you. Okay, so here you can take a look. So here, so this is 3.6 volt and 9400 milliampere of battery of this camera. So this comes in a plastic cover, and so let's keep this in a side, and we'll come to our this. So this is the cable that you want if you want to connect your camera with your TV. Okay, and here you also get a CD also. So this is the cable, bigger one is the cable. And what else? So this one is your USB to AV, I think. USB to AV, your cable. And what else? It's stuck inside. So this is the camera, some CD and instructions of this camera about this Lumix camera. Let me just take this out, I'll show it to you. This is a lot of stuff inside this package. This is the main package inside, right? So I'll just pause the video, I'll continue when I just open this up because this packet is just stuck inside this all the paper. So I just take it out and I'll continue my video. Okay, so let me just take this. So friends, I had now taken out all the stuff. So this is a CD about your camera. It's written some applications, operating instructions. In this CD you can plug it into your DVD or your computer or your laptop and you can play it. Okay, so to know how to use this camera, so we get here a paperwork supplied software. So this is a software about this camera, and what else? Some instructions of this camera, and it's written here in Urdu also. So let's keep this in aside, we'll come to our camera. So here are the instructions of this Lumix camera. So there's some quick start guide, a little big quick start guide. There's a big quick start guide, you need to read it, how to operate, how to use. Okay, and again same, this one is in English and this one is on Urdu, so you get both of this to read. Okay, so that's it in this box. We don't have nothing, and I'll just kept this all this thing inside. I'll just came back when I open my camera and put my battery there. Okay, we will just continue with our handset. Bye. So friends, this is the camera which came out of this package. Sorry, you can tell there is a small pouch to carry. So this is the camera. You can take a look at the camera. So this is a small digital camera. Okay, and let me just give the overview of this camera. So here you have that AV plug, how to plug, no, to connect your camera with your TV. You can directly do it this with this. There's given your to connect your cables, and here's some how to use this. I'll just on my flash and then I'll show you. So it looks very cool in this flash. So I'll just switch off my flash. So I'll just put my battery and then I'll show you how does it looks and how does it works. So here's the way to put your battery right from here. So it's open, it's locked there, right here is written. So just open this up. So it's open, and I'll just continue when I put the battery. So right now I plugged the battery inside my camera and it's locked. So just we'll close this up, close up the lock here, and we'll come to our camera directly. So here's the button to on your camera. You can on it from here. So here's the button to on your camera. So when you just push this here, so here you can see it says to please set up the clock. So I'll just set up my clock and I'll continue. So friends, right now I had set all the things. So let's just press this OK. I'll just show my flash. Okay, so I'll just press it OK. And here it's now my camera has been started. Okay, so let me just show you. Here's in front of you. So this is the camera right there. Its battery is full charged. And let me just take some snapshots and I'll just show this. Okay, so I'm just taking a snapshot right here. So here's the snapshot of this camera. I need to close the flash, then I'll just take a snapshot. I just close the flash off, and I'll just take a look. and the picture quality is really good. And so here you can take a look. Picture qualities are really good of this camera. I will just show you. Even if I zoom now, it's so clear. So you can take a look at this 10 megapixels. I just show you some snapshots of my camera. So friends, here are some snapshots of my camera. Here you can take a look at the photos. These photos are really good, and these all photos are taken from in 10 megapixels, and even if you zoom on the photos, they are so clear. And so friends, that's it in this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, so don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up.